Hi all and welcome to our first mentorship program. As some of you know or think, TCM is indeed a news channel, and we deliver 3 to 4 market recaps per day during the US trading week with a focus on day traders and market movers and market moving stocks, and trying to make the news as entertaining and adaptive to the day trading business as possible. But we are also an education channel, and now we're gonna go and show our other hat, which is education. To those who know me, I've been in this business for more than 20 years, mentored many traders, some of them successfully, others not so much. Let's dive into this mentorship program, which is built as a one-on-one program. The idea here is not to teach a day trader from 0 to 10-20% effectiveness, but to go and mentor existing traders that already are 6 months, 2 years, 3 years, whatever. They are in the process and they want to improve their profitability. I want to improve my profitability. Although now I'm mentoring, but there isn't even one trader that cannot improve its profitability, cannot deliver additional trading venues, and cannot be better at his job as much as Roger Federer, which won 8 Wimbledon titles, had a mentor and a coach, and he was the best and probably the best ever. But enough about Federer. It's all about now a one-on-one relationship where I trade alongside you. Basically, I'm coaching and looking at what you as a day trader did in the past, and now I'm trying to fix your problems, and trading alongside you, meaning I'm coaching you to press the button at the right time in this mentorship program. Being that we are a charts channel, although it's the charts channel has been taken, and we are the Charts Maverick, hence TCM. So, but basically, I see myself as working at the charts channel basically. So we'll post the charts in a minute. We will go as following. With 3 videos, each around 10 minutes each. And of course, if anybody wants to participate or will have questions, of course you'll have the Charts Maverick at gmail.com for our replies, any questions. And those who know me personally use my email. I cannot post it because of the obvious Nigerian reasons. So, what is the description? Although the description is posted, we will go right now and very slowly go through each part of the program. First of all, I want to bring in the first chart. That's we'll discuss the chart in a minute. So the Mastering Day Trading Program, it's a one-on-one intensive to maximize profits and minimize losses in US equity markets. Okay, that's a very generic, means nothing. Everybody wants to maximize profits and minimize losses. That's trivial. What is the program about? An 8-hour one-on-one Zoom mentorship designed for day traders looking to improve their profitability. And now we're getting into a little bit fine-tuning, reduce costly mistake. if you reduce most of us, those who traded 100 to 1,000 trades, know that very few trades can cause a lot of damage. A lot of damage is hurtful not only to our well-being and our bottom line, but to the whole concept of day trading, because day trading is work. It's not investing where you are at your job and the money is working for you and everything is fine. If it's not working, at least you didn't spend hours every day fighting, sweating, cursing and being aggressive, sometimes not being yourself. And this is something that needs to be avoided at all costs. At all costs, a day trader needs to maximize the losses, and it can be done because we are trading the best equity markets ever, by far. This market improves every year. So this year is the best ever. I think last year was best. There's always endless opportunities to make money, and of course big opportunities to lose money, and you don't want to be part of that as much as possible. So the course goal is not to teach novice trader, but to fix existing trading problems and teach how to day trade low risk trades versus high reward trades, finding the right setups in the markets. So the idea here is not to guess. The idea here is to look at the chart and analyze based on the chart what is the low risk trade. If a trade has a 10-cent risk in Apple versus a trade where you take a $1 risk, which trade carries less risk, assuming you can trade Apple with a 10-cent risk. Okay, that's not possible in Apple. That's not a good example, but you can trade Nvidia at times with a 20-cent stop loss. Many times a dollar won't be enough. So how can you press the button only when the risk on the trade, or force yourself to press the button only when the risk on the trade is 20 cents versus the 50 cents or a dollar? Now we know, I'm sure, anybody that trades, that liquidity is not a problem in Nvidia, and a $1 intraday move in Nvidia can happen sometimes 3 or 4 times per day. Not every day, but can happen. Okay, so risking 20 cents and deliver in order to get $1 is a great 5-to-1 risk reward. So if you risk 20 cents, no matter how many shares you buy according to your strategy and your account, I'm not going to dive into that, definitely not right now, it's not a big loss. Losing a dollar is a big loss. Losing way more than that, or not exercising stop losses, can be even worse. Okay, so that's the concept about the basics. So it's all one-on-one, live via Zoom. Everybody needs to have a charting platform, and that's pretty much it what you need. And of course a brokerage account where you can trade and press the button. And the idea here is not to press the button with a target 5 times per day or 25 times per day. To press the button when you face the clear strategy and the deer is in front of your you have the perfect aim on the deer. That's basically the concept here. Now, can you miss on a perfect aim? Yes, even the best shooters are missing on their perfect aim. So, and if you miss, you're gonna suffer a loss or a minimal loss. But that's it. You're not gonna take anybody's life like in the fields. Okay, so course objectives: strengthen day trading skills and putting increased focus on low risk trades I think I emphasized it enough at this point. Identify and correct costly mistakes. That's obviously the part of the trader. Enhance risk management. Improve the trade planning and execution discipline. That's not very hard to do if you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, it becomes very hard. Learn how to adapt to changing market conditions. And I'm going to get to the fun part in a bit. The first class, okay? Hours 1 and 2, again, live during the trading hours or according to your preference. We will discuss your trader profile and past trades review. Not trades from 2 years ago, trades from the last 2-3 weeks. We will discuss 5 to 10 trades. I want to see what's your concept, how you're trading, what's going on. I want to identify if you are pressing the button 25 times per day or waiting and never pressing the button, or pressing 1 trade per day. Review of recent trades, spotting patterns in losing and winning trades, that's super important. And clarifying your goals as a trader. Are your goals realistic? Yes or no? If you have a $10,000 account making $1,000 per day, is it realistic? Or you have a US account like an average 50 to 100,000 leverage as well, is 1,000 to 2,000 per day possible? I think it's realistic. And now we're going to dive into the real course, which is in the first class, understanding market participants, price movement. And then now let's take a look, for example, at AI. Yesterday, actually yesterday it was May 29th. What are the market participants in AI? Is it grandmas or institutional traders? What's going on? Why is AI gapping? I'm sure everybody knows, but can you act in the first minutes in AI? And if you don't act, which is the strength of AI, basically what happens the rest of the trading day? Can you trade or should you trade the rest of the trading day? Reading key intraday setups. Can you find a key intraday setup in AI other than the first 5 minutes, which is rush higher? That's a question. So if you don't have intraday patterns, how many stocks you have available for you to trade every day? Thousands. Out of them you will find 1, 2 or 3 or 5 that have the right setups. We will discuss them, of course. Fine-tuning, if you enter a trade, what are the exit and entry points, and the focus of this class is exit points as well, and reaching high probability trades. That's super important to take high probability trades in setups that are based on either gap ups, breakouts, pullbacks, support and resistance, where support and resistance is a crucial part, or identifying tested, verified support and resistance levels is crucial, absolutely crucial for being successful in day trading. So so far we covered the first class. This is the end of the first video, and I will come back and discuss class number 2, class number 3 in the next video. Thank you. See you in a bit.